Hello dear parents and students, welcome to our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you two things, and that is number one, how to find resources in Microsoft Teams, and secondly, how to use the weekly highlights. Now, let's discuss how to find the resources in Microsoft Teams. The first thing you're going to do is to open up your Microsoft Teams. So in this Microsoft Teams, make sure that you're going to open the Teams of your son or daughter. So click that. Now, make sure that you are in General and click Files at the top of this tab. So Files tab. So after clicking the Files tab, you will find the folder called First Semester. So you will get all the updates, important announcements in this first semester folder. So in this first semester folder, you will find 5 important folders. The first one is called Class Schedule and Timings, Exams, Memos and Updates, Subjects, and Weekly Highlights. So if you want to get the picture of the class schedule and timings, you can click here and then you will find the class schedule. Click on the first semester to go back. If you want to get the study guides, anything about the midterm exams and final exams, revision sheets, whatsoever, you can find them in this folder called Exams. The third one is called Memos and Updates. So any updates, important updates provided by our school will be uploaded in this third folder. The fourth and most important folder is called the Subjects folder. If you click on it, you will find all the subjects. Inside these folders, English, Math, Science, Social, Qatar History, and Global Citizenship, you will find the PDF activities, the PowerPoint for lessons, and all worksheets that we have used for the first semester. If you want to go back, you just go and click First Semester. And then last but not the least is called Weekly Highlights. In this Weekly Highlights folder, this is where we are uploading all the weekly highlights. So the weekly highlights for week number 3 is already uploaded here. So that is how we use and access the resources in Microsoft Teams. Now the second thing is that I'm going to teach you how to use this new and updated weekly highlights. So first thing is I'm going to discuss with you where to find the weekly highlights. So every Thursday we are posting it in Microsoft Teams. So just click on post and then look for the announcement, like here, it's called Weekly Highlights for September 4 to 8, 2022. And we are attaching the PDF file of the weekly highlights. So to download this PDF file, just click this triple dot over here and then click download. The computer will download it, and I'm going to show you right now where to find these downloads. So just click your folder over here and then click downloads, and then you will find the downloaded weekly highlights over here. Next, if you do not have the Microsoft Teams, you can actually access it in Class Dojo. So in Class Dojo, you're going to click Class Story, and in this Class Story, we are actually uploading the PDF file of the weekly highlights as well. So here, last Thursday, I uploaded the weekly highlights. You can download it by double-clicking in the PDF file. So now it's being downloaded. Again, to access this, just go to your folder, click Downloads, and now it's over here. The second thing I'm going to do right now is to teach you how to use these weekly highlights. So I'm going to open up these weekly highlights, and this is a PDF file, so it opens into your PDF Acrobat, or it will open with Microsoft Edge. Now, these weekly highlights have about 5 important parts. The first thing is the important announcements. So in every week, we're going to put the important announcements for your son or daughter over here. Secondly, the week's activities and classworks are posted in this category, this week's activities. So you can find here the lessons and activities for English, lessons and activities for Math, Science, Social Studies, Qatar History, and Global Citizenship. So these are the lessons over here. To get more information, you can actually click here to access the standards and more information about these lessons. So click here. It will lead you directly to the lessons, the standards, and materials required. So here, for example, you can find English, the lessons for this week, the standards for these lessons, and another important thing is the materials required. So like here, you need reading book and notebook, writing notebook, and also the pages that we are going to cover. Secondly, you will find math, lessons, standards, and materials required. And if you scroll down, you will find everything that you need in science, social studies, and Qatar history, and also, of course, global citizenship. To go back, you're just going to click here. And that's it for the week's activities. Now, another important thing here is our homework. So in this category, our homework, you will find all the important subjects like English, math, science, social studies, Qatar history, and global citizenship. Now, to access the instruction for the English homework, you just click the link. After clicking the link, it will lead you to the instruction for the homework for English. Like here, you will find the homework for writing, and you will find the homework for reading. You're going to do the same thing as well with mathematics and science, social studies, Qatar history, and global citizenship. Like for example, for math, I'm just going to click the link here. And it will lead me directly to the homework in mathematics. So this is the homework for mathematics. The same is true with science. I'll click here and it will lead me to the instruction for the science lesson and also the homework. So that's it for our homework. The due dates are already here, like here, September 6 for English, September 8 for math, September 7 for science, and so on and so forth. In the next page, it shows us the specialist activities, specialist lessons like French, ICT, Art, PE, Arabic, and Islamic. Some of them are already stated over here, and some of them are in links. Like for example, for art, just click here, and then it will show you the art newsletter that have the week's activities for art. Next is another important thing, the quizzes and weekly challenges. So here you will find the quizzes information. Like for example, this coming week, we're going to have short math quiz and short English quiz. To get the information, just click here, and then it will lead you to the quiz guide. So the quiz guide has the following: the subject, the date of the quiz, the lessons included in the quiz, and the resources. So we have here English and mathematics. And now, last but not the least, is the Hall of Fame. In this Hall of Fame, we're going to award soon the students who are most improved, best group leaders, most responsible, best groups for last week, and other awards that we're going to be giving to students. So that's the weekly highlights. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and goodbye.